Hi everyone, my name is Stefania and I'm in a Master of Mechanical Engineering. I'm very interested in the medical development of products. I came here and I saw people printing stuff and I was like, I want to do that as well. I started with a CAD file that I actually took from the internet, and the first step was really to try out how these machines work, how I can print, and then after I made that first step I started to draw my own CAD files. The curriculum at ETH is very tough. In the third year I finally had enough time to come here and I started 3D printing here at SPH. It's very much fun and finally I can see the reason of what I'm actually studying theoretically. Right now I'm doing a project about a small car, and this car is actually mind-driven. So we are 4 people in total creating this project. My main task so far was the building and engineering of the chassis part. We have these electrodes here in front of this headband, and then we are able to measure the action potential of your frontal cortex. You count from 100 backwards in steps of 7. And the more challenging, the more difficult the task is for you, the more the goal is that this mind-driven car in the end drives.